guys, we are at Wawa right now. Let's go. Ready for the meet? What's your name?
My name is Kaila, and I'm running the 6-meter dash. 6-meter dash. I'm Kaila, and I'm running the 60-meter hurdles.
Nice one.
Hi, I'm Karina, and I'm running the 60-meter hurdles and the 200-meter dash.
Hi, I'm Shaylee, and I'm running the 60-meter hurdles and the 200-meter dash. Hi, I'm Mackenzie, and I'm running the 60-meter hurdles, and I'm not doing the 200-meter dash. She's sick.
Hey, I'm Julia, and I'm running the 60-meter hurdles and 200-meter dash.
Hi, I'm Dinah McKillian,
And I'm Mary McKillian.
and we're twins.
And we're about 200 to 10.
And we're like 209.
208, you could say.
Go.
Go what?
Oh yeah.
I'm running the 55-meter hurdles and 200-meter dash.
Introduce yourself.
I'm Grace. Hi.
What's your event?
I'm running the, what is it, 55-meter hurdle? Yeah.
Okay, Julia.
Hi, I'm Julia. I'm running 60 hurdles.
It's 55 actually.
I'm running the 60-meter hurdles, and we're running the 200.
It's actually 55.
It's 55?
You're wrong.
I said 16.
Okay, squad team's on the bus.
Yeah.
Can you hold this for hold this for me, please? Ooh, nice lunchbox. Hey guys, we're actually pouring this lunchbox right now. You're glowing.
Is it a video?
You're glowing.
You're getting highlighted.
We're going in New York right now. We're right next to the ocean. We're here! We did it! We did it!
So high, I'm gonna like fall.
Okay guys, we are warming up right now.
Okay, guys.
Okay guys.
Let's go.
We just ran and
We did, and we crushed it.
yeah, Julia's in the finals.
Oh yeah.
Let's go. So we were right here and we were hurdling in this middle area.
Hi, my name's Fabia, and I just ran the 55 hurdles.
Yeah. Okay, Kirtana is in lane 7. This is the finals. Okay, Julia's in lane 6. Okay, Charlotte's gonna do her 200. She's all the way in that far lane right there. Okay, Kirtana is going. She's in lane 1. She's really going. Okay, Julia Hand, right there. Lane 3. Okay, Karina's in lane 1. Okay, Shaylee is going. Right there. Okay, I got my food. Okay guys, we are going outside. We're going to the beach now. We're outside. For the first time for Kirtana.
Beach, guys!
Okay, we're going to the beach, and I'm gonna take a dip.
I know! Side eye.
got me off of the ground.
That's a video?
So yeah.
Look at that bird.
Sway for a minute, but move side to side. One way ticket, I want you in my life. My height, where you on my side, high up in the sky.
Take a picture. Look. It's a photo shoot. Wait.
I can't like smile with the sun in my eyes. I have to put my hand.
Okay, let's go this way.
No, but then I'm not glowing anymore.
Okay, let's go this way. What the heck?
No, that's shade. No, Kayla.
Your toes right now. Hey yourself. That's not fair. Hey yourself. Julia, that's not fair.
Are you? What are we hitting the Woody right now?
Hey, let me out of this. That's not fair.
What are we hitting the Woody?
Hey, you guys, when we hit, look at left, me and left foot out. Yeah, what the freak? I don't like this.
I got a feeling you could be my muse. I get strange when I see you. You say green, but I see blue. Either way, your eyes the ones I'm looking to. And
Yes, for the vlog.
Take that.
I'm gonna put sad music over this.
No, delete it, redo it. I can't say it if you're recording.
I think you're a good videographer sometimes.
Hi.
Are you sad? No. I'm quite alright.
I'll get some.
Okay, guys, we are going to the deli now.
15 and 10, $25. Well, lady didn't bring it. It's getting heated.
See, one for me right now. So, what do you want? Three cross punchers?
Stickers bar.
Stickers, wait, I should take my
And my cup of ice. And your cup of ice. Yeah, let's wait outside.
Everybody. I'm gonna sit on the chair.
Maybe you should.
Root beer. Yum. So that's what I got. Hot Cheetos.
I got nothing. Yeah.
What are you eating then? This is her hot Cheetos.
Nice edit.
Let's walk to Long
I think this was the grocery.
Why is there a turkey?
We just watch
The president pardoned too many.
Oh, never.
Yeah, facts, bro. Canada, yes. Okay, we are leaving now. Finally. Literally no one, bro. All the way is back. What are we, bro?
Get out of the way.